Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today we are going to talk about how to pair earbuds in JioPhone, guys. How can you pair your earbud in JioPhone? Today we will talk about it. So before starting video, guys, I want to tell you, if you need my channel, so please go and subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So friends, first of all, sorry friends. First of all, friends, open your setting app. After that, friends, click on connected device. Click here and guys, click on pair new device. And guys, take your earbuds and now guys, we have to wait. So guys, you can see my earbud name, Preton TWS. Click here guys, and guys, click on pair option. So guys, my earbuds has paired. So guys, now I can use my earbuds while listening song, music, watch movies. You can use, guys. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching my video, guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Bye bye friends. Before guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel.